I have left justice for Mohbad. Don't let me start it all over again. It is not a traitor. Because I am calm now. You know, you said it, that the Yabo you knew then has changed. Yes. I'm a soon-to-be grandma. And I just felt like, make I keep my black bonnet for inside cooler. Because we don't need all these distractions. There's a lot going on in this country. People are suffering. People are suffering. We have a lot of economical issues. We have a lot to tackle, deal with. There's some things that the governments are doing right that we're supposed to talk about. And there's some things that they're not doing right that we're supposed to talk about and debate about. But all these distractions. Naira did not die. He still produced songs. I know he has released them.
Jesus! Hey! Queen Mother don't know about Nigerian economy. Finally, people are suffering. No need more. Justice for Mohbad now is now a distraction for the people that are suffering. This same thing we wanna carry. We wanna do protest for. We wanna go police station for. It's now a distraction for the people that are suffering, that we should leave it alone now and start talking about the economy of the country. And they call me a manipulator.
To talk about. And there's some things that they're not doing right that we're supposed to talk about and debate about. But all these distractions.
There goes the voice of the voiceless. Oh my God, the voice of the voiceless. Wow. People are suffering. It's a distraction. A lot of people are suffering. But now come back Nigeria first. God damn it. I went through your page. When was the last time you spoke about Nigeria? All of a sudden, justice for Mohbad don't they go towards the right direction. Finally, people are suffering. And justice for Mohbad is now a distraction. God damn it. And they say VDM is manipulative. I tried so hard to avoid everything about you because of the agreements you people had that you come to the public and tell them the truth. But for some reason, it felt like if I come and tell Nigerians that, oh, this is something that happened, this is why I did what I did, then Nigerians will look at you as a liar. Oh, how the mighty are falling. Oh, how the... Anyway, you gotta learn. And you will learn the hard way. Don't play.